What's up everyone, this is Wayne. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Deere X580 mower. Now, it will get used again this weekend. I know that because you see how much expensive this thing is, because you can see it did get used last Thursday and Friday, my opinion, so this thing will get used again this weekend again. And I know that because you see how much expensive this thing is, which is definitely how much I expected this machine exactly, which definitely looks pretty cool because I can see this thing's been sitting since Saturday. And ever since the machine's been used almost quite a bit, because you can see, because it will get used again this weekend, right? So I know this thing's going to get used again this weekend because it's going to get used again, and you see, because you see how much expected this machine's actually, because even though this machine's been sitting for a while, you can see, it's got a 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine, it's got a 54 inches LD deck, which, it's definitely how much you expected this thing, because she's been sitting here for like a while now, you can see, because you see how much expected this machine's been used almost like every single time this machine's active, which just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So it will get used again this weekend again, and I know that because you see how much expected this machine's active, which just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. But this thing will get used again this weekend, and there's a very nice, guys, you can see this is a very nice looking machine in my opinion, and this thing will get used again this weekend.